Today I'm going to be replacing my air filter canister for my Bobcat. So I've had this for a little while and never really happy with the fit up. I couldn't get the air filters to fit in properly. That hole was a little too small. I think it was that one right there. Even though it said it fit my machine, it must have been a different series. But ordered this one off of all skid steer. So far it looks like everything's gonna line up pretty well. Here's the hole I'm working with right here. So I probably could leave this bracket in there, but I sized this one up and I think I like the way this one sits a little bit better. That opening's a little more on top versus the other one that's kicked off to the side. I'm gonna go ahead and hook this in. As far as some other differences here, this breather tube is quite a bit bigger than that one. That's about 17 inches long, and that one's about maybe 16 inches long. 16, maybe 16 and a half, 17, somewhere in there. So they look like a little bit longer. That's 5.5 just on that right there. That's like 5 3/8. Explains why the filters wouldn't fit. I had a single filter inside of that one, and it takes a double filter, so yeah, that was a problem. This sits on top of the radiator and ties into this part right here. That's going to fit a lot better. I had an adapter on there, and there's my adapter. It worked. I don't know. It was all I had at the time. These have come down in price from my perspective. This was $100 on all skid steer, and it came with the filters. The filters are typically, I believe, $25 to $30, so realistically this was about $70. I paid, I want to say $35 or $40 for that through Alibaba. You get what you get. They wouldn't, when I complained about some things on this, there was no refunds. It was as is with all skid steer. I could probably mail that back after I installed it, and if there's something I didn't like about it, they'd probably take it back. Bobcat sells this same one. I think they're upwards of $300, and they don't have the filters. So I have been disappointed in some of the all skid steers plastics. Maybe I should say rubbers. This is rubber. I've had some of their rubber stuff fall apart on me. But really not in a position to pay $300 for a part right now. So that's why I went with all skid steer. So I'll go ahead and get started installing this, and if I run into any issues, I'll post them in the next video.